Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to activate your free trial on ExpressVPN. So ExpressVPN typically does not offer a free trial through its website or app. However, they do have a 30-day money back guarantee that allows you to try the service risk free. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to install the application and make sure to go ahead and create your account. Now after signing up, you can download the ExpressVPN app on your device. It's available for various platforms including Windows, Mac, and all iOS, or all of that. And when you are logged into your account, you can use the credential during the sign up process, and in the app you'll see the list of server locations. You can choose a server location and click on the connect button to establish a VPN connection. Now use ExpressVPN as you normally would during the 30-day period. You can test its speed, reliability, and compatibility with your preference website and service as well. Now, if you're not satisfied with the ExpressVPN for any reason within the 30-day period, you can request a refund or contact ExpressVPN customer support team through live chat or email and request a refund. So that's basically how you can activate it or use the free trial offer on ExpressVPN. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.